Hey everybody, it's Laura. Welcome back to another Plan With Me on a Budget. I am using Lily Meeko. Again, you guys know her shop is affordable. I love her shop. She's got Black Friday deals coming up and I just can't stop talking about her. I actually had a different kit picked out for this week, but I tried out, let me see if I can move these things. So I recently bought this Recollections ring bound planner. I'll link the haul up here. And I tried out the kit I was going to use in this planner. So this is from Brandy's shop and it's on matte paper. It's like $6 or something like that, crazy. But I tried out my very first rings. I did this off camera because I had no idea what I was doing. But it's still really cute. I'm not super happy with how the sidebar came out, but the rest of the spread is really cute. I think it's fun to have so much white space. And yeah, that's the kit I was going to use for this week. And I actually also have that same artwork by Lily and Meeko. But then Lily and Meeko, Samantha, released this kit. So I went ahead and picked up this kit and now I'm using this one. So I will link both Brandy's shop, Danny Faith Designs, and Lily and Meeko down below because I can't stop talking about those shops. But anyways, this is Lily and Meeko's mini kit called Giving Thanks and it's on premium matte paper. You have the turkey scene, the kitchen scene, the tablescape, the dog like looking up at the girl, the place setting, and then the girl with the cookbook. You have bottom washi, flags, that's what those are called, work labels, habit trackers, deco, icons, weekend banner, flags, check boxes, and check flags. And then we have the boxes page. I love how soft and pastel these colors are. I think it's really fun. And then we have this glitter header sampler thing. So I'm going to start with bottom washi as per usual and go from there. But yeah, so you can use the code Tiger25, TYGER 25 for 25% off. And then if you're watching this or using her code not during any sale, then if you mention Tiger at checkout, then you'll get a freebie also. I'm updating my freebie. I'm not sure what it's going to look like quite yet, but hopefully by the time you get this, I'll have an updated one. As of right now, it's pink and like Harry Potter themed with a blonde chibi girl, but I'm switching to a different chibi girl, different color scheme, just switching it up completely in case you weren't totally into the last one. And just for variety, like I don't need it to be pink all the time, even though I love pink. Let's see. But yeah, her Black Friday sale, she's going to have some like mystery pull kits, some sales, all sorts of stuff. I'll try to insert the image here as to what the plan is for all of Black Friday, or write it on the screen or whatever. Because I don't frankly remember it all off the top of my head, because that's a lot. I'm actually not doing anything for Thanksgiving. My boyfriend and I, that's the we, we're going to be in separate locations. So I'm just winging it. I'm going to be on vacation this whole week, relaxing. I have lots of letters of recommendation to write for my seniors as they're applying for scholarships and stuff. Whoa, I have a major bubble in there. What did I do? Okay. So yeah, it's a little nuts, but it'll be okay. So yeah, my boyfriend's going to California to go to his mom's, and I'm going to be here chilling. My family's back in Wisconsin, which is totally fine. I don't know. Like, I love Thanksgiving and I wish I was with my family, but I'm totally okay relaxing also. Like, it's kind of a blessing. So, you know, we deal with it. But yeah, let me know your plans. If you're not doing anything, tell me what you do, like on holidays, or like if you're Canadian or like from some other country and like everybody's freaking out about, you know, like if you're in the planner community, like if everybody's freaking out about Thanksgiving and stuff, Black Friday sales, is that like weird? I mean, I know Canadians have Boxing Day. Boxing Day is similar, right? Except it's after Christmas, if I recall correctly. It's like the 26th of December, right? But see, to me, that's kind of weird because like when it's Black Friday, at least you can do like Christmas shopping. But when it's the day after Christmas, like what are you going shopping for? I don't get it. I really don't get it. I think I'm going to put I don't know. I put full boxes down without any thought to what colors are going anywhere. And that may have been a mistake. I'm not sure. Because I'll probably want to do the same color here, the same color here. And then that just throws everything off. But otherwise, I think it'll be weird. Back. I don't know what I was doing. I think I said my boyfriend got home, but we were texting. He was really, really sick. Poor guy. I feel really bad. Not that I caused it or anything, but you know, you just feel bad when people are ill. And especially because I just saw him, like, poor thing. So yeah, hopefully he starts feeling better soon. Because that's a bummer. And yeah, I don't know. So then I was fighting with my camera for storage because it kept saying I didn't have any, and I had downloaded the first part of this video, and then it would say that that part of the video was still on my camera, and I'm like, hello, no it's not. Because it wasn't, and I was frustrated. I hope this fits in here. I always do this in this planner. I never have enough room. Barely. So, not vitamins. Vitamins, skincare, not movies. Oh my gosh, you guys. Upload schedule and dinners is what those are. And then we'll go day by day. On Monday, I'll probably be editing, uploading, lazy day, maybe laundry. We shall see how ambitious I am. I'm guessing it's going to be a fairly lazy day. Tuesday, I have Pilates in the morning. And I decided I'm going to use these glitter flags to mark Pilates because I'll have the right colors for each day. So I'll put Pilates on Tuesday, and then my boyfriend leaves for his Thanksgiving trip to California. So I'll put that down here. And then if I don't have anything I need to put in the middle, I can fill in with deco. Normally I put all this deco like up along the top, but because I don't think I'm going to have a very busy week, I'm probably going to save most of it to put within little white spaces like that in the spread, which is fine. Okay, Tuesday is my friend Tina's birthday. I'm going to use the glitter half box because it's more fun than the plain one. And I don't think I have anything icon wise, but I definitely have this like bow here that's really cute that I'll put in the corner. Probably have a video that day. Wednesday is Thanksgiving. Wednesday is Thanksgiving and Pilates. So I'm going to mark Pilates first. And then I'm going to take a half box for Thanksgiving. And put that down here. I use this sheet in my my regular plan with me for the week. I'll put it up here. But I have a bunch left over because I didn't really use them. So I'll put something in the half box to mark Thanksgiving in this planner. Let's see, maybe there's always something to be thankful for. I like that, and I think it'll fit nicely in here. Yeah, that fills that middle space of the box up quite nicely. And then Friday is Black Friday, so I'm going to mark that with a quarter box here. I forgot to mark it in my plan with me, my like Erin Condren plan with me, but I remembered as soon as I was done filming, so I added it. So it's not in that video that I just linked, but it's on there, don't you worry. I'll probably watch a movie that day. I'll probably film that day, all the things. Saturday, I'm going to Pilates. And then I'm going to mark it with this little flag here. As always, not as always for the spread, I guess. And Sunday, my boyfriend comes home, so I'm going to use the same type of label, but in a different color. Perfect. I think we only have one airplane, so I'll put it on his takeoff day. And then I'll put the home icon on his come home day. Perfect. And then my fall break ends, I'll put that in. These boxes are very similar, but that's okay. I'm not going to be able to fit a half box in there, so that will have to do. And maybe I can put a little floral or something in between these two. Okay, so that's fall break ends. I'll probably have a plan with me, all that kind of stuff. I think that's everything for this spread. The layout is a little weird because of the double boxes and then wanting to keep the same color on them. I did that in a recent plan with me, also using Lily and Meeko, and it's just a little strange, especially because I did like all cool tone over here and then all warm tone. Well, I guess the blue isn't, but I don't know. Not my favorite thing in the world as far as like having two sets of double boxes, but I don't hate it. And I like how the colors went together. I think it worked really well. So this is an example of her mini kit. Definitely tons and tons and tons left over. I have all the deco, most of the icons, boxes, things like that. I have so many boxes left. A few more glitter headers, which I use to like break up space in like the little things section. And then I have more flags. I have work labels, which I don't need because I'm not working this week. And then I used all the full boxes. So tons left. Like I said, check out her Black Friday deals. I'm not sure if she'll have Cyber Monday also. Whatever I know, I'll put, like I said earlier in the video, I'll put anything down below also. And yeah, that's everything for today. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I hope you have a great Thanksgiving and just a great week in general. Stay safe. Enjoy the holidays. Don't be crazy on Black Friday. Let me know if you guys go Black Friday shopping and like what you do. If you go out crazy late at night or anything. I do not. And then I really wish Cyber Monday was Cyber Sunday. Like, why is it during the workday? Like, I can't do that. Or do it this week, like this Monday, because I have off that Monday. Not that it revolves around me, but you know, wishful thinking. All right, anyways, that's my plan with me for the week, and stay tuned for more videos. Have a great day, you guys. Hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I will talk to you later. Bye.